Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, the question comes to me many times about marriage certificate, especially when couple apply together, like let's say a visitor visa. People apply like a family, and in many cases it is required, like proof of relationship and some other things. So people really ask me like, do they really need marriage certificate? Well, definitely it is required. But what to do if they don't have? Well, I do have seen some cases where it has been approved without a marriage certificate, but yes, with some other reasonable evidence. For example, not in our generation, but if you go a few generations back, like our parents or grandparents, then at that time a lot of people did not apply for it. Like it used to be more or less social with some registration, and like you include the name in the bank account, house and all, and it was more than enough. It's no longer the case anymore now because you need to have valid registration. But if somebody didn't get a marriage certificate, let's say 20-30 years before, it's not going to be an easy task now to get it. So how you would support it? So let me tell you a case where I helped somebody, a couple who applied from India, and their case has been successful. They have been granted the visitor visa. Of course, it was pre-pandemic, earlier this year, earlier last year, 2020. So the couple was married, but they did not have their marriage certificate, but they had their names included in their passport. In Indian passports, like you can have your spouse name included. So they had their names included, and that was one evidence, passport. Second, in other documents also you get in India, voter card, Aadhaar card, there they had the names. Then other family documents, property papers, bank documents, and various other documents it had. So when they applied for the visitor visa application, along with passport, they took an affidavit and these documents, and also in the letter of explanation, this was written, and it was accepted, and the visa was granted. So of course, it varies case by case, but my suggestion would be like definitely get it. Definitely, if possible, get it. Otherwise, it needs to be evaluated on case by case basis and also based on your location. Because why I say location in, because in India, in Indian passports you have your spouse name included, but there could be countries where this is not the case. So we need to evaluate what needs to be done in that case. So a proper evaluation, explanation are required. But when it comes to apply, well, I have seen successful cases, but that doesn't mean you don't need to. If you can, then definitely you get it to avoid any sort of such extra explanation or trouble. Thanks for watching this, guys.